If a friend were in your shoes, what advice would you give them?
Change careers. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I know this about myself. I can get discouraged, and sometimes it's very hard to see the forest through the trees. I hope I'm using that expression correctly.
Yeah, I know. I have to do the same thing. Like, wait, did I get it backwards?
Did I get that right? But I think, if it was a female friend, I think it would be to find your tribe. And I know that sounds a little cliche, but it does make a difference. You have to find your audience and you have to find your platform. And the one thing that I would tell any writer is to utilize every single experience that you have ever had and put it in your writing and put it in your work. I can't tell you the number of times that, my skills as a graphic designer have come in handy, because I've done pitch decks and I haven't had the money to pay for anybody to design the pitch deck. So I've done it myself. Or I have had to develop characters. I learned ASL as a little girl, and I've forgotten a lot of it, but I have, worked on projects or gotten meetings or something because of that particular skill set. So don't discount any experience that you've had in your life prior to you becoming a writer. That's what makes you interesting. That's what makes you unique. That's what makes you, that's what makes people want to talk to you. So don't discount any experiences that you've had, and see if you can find a way to put that into your work.